Only dog lovers can answer this. I am a courageous and intelligent working dog, often used by police and military forces. I am fiercely loyal and protective of my loved ones. What breed am I?
Welcome back, fam. Today I've got something super exclusive for you. I haven't come across any tutorials or channels discussing this particular niche yet, so you'll be the first to know about this idea. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, so stick with me to fully grasp how it works. I'll even share some tricks to make your video stand out from the crowd. Get ready to make some serious waves in the YouTube world. Let's do this. Step 1 is to generate a script. Simply head over to Google's Gemini, paste the prompt, and hit enter. I've included a script in the video description for you. Feel free to use it for your own purposes. As you can see, Gemini provides excellent results. If you're not satisfied, you can click the Show Draft button for another option. You can even ask for more options by typing "Give me more," but let's keep it short for now. Finally, export to Sheets. Moving on to step 2, we'll generate the voiceover. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs. In my opinion, it's the most realistic and advanced text-to-speech generator available. Make sure to check it out. You can find the link in the video description to sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the new interface. 11 Labs offers thousands of realistic voices for you to choose from. Simply go to the voice library and pick the one you like. I'll choose this voice and copy one of the scripts from the sheet. After adding a distinct characteristic phrase and a hook in the beginning to catch the viewer's attention, you're good to go. Click Generate and download the result. Now that we have our voiceovers, let's move on to step 3, generating the character. Go to the Adobe Express website and log in to your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free using the link in the description. Once logged in, you'll see the interface. Click on Animate from Audio to proceed. Here, you'll find hundreds of free-to-use Adobe characters in different categories. Feel free to choose the one you like. In this case, we'll go for the Creatures category. I think the Tull character would be perfect for our video, but you can choose a different one if you prefer. Let's change the background to green to make the next step smoother. Now you can upload an audio or record your own voice to animate the character. Simply click the Browse button to upload the voiceover we generated earlier. The system will automatically analyze the audio and start animating your character. Wait until it's done, and then download the result. Repeat this process for all your voiceovers. Now that we have our character, let's move on to the most important part. Step 4, final video editing. As always, we'll use CapCut for this purpose. Open CapCut, start a new project, and upload all the videos you generated earlier. Click the Modify button and adjust the ratio to 9:16. You can also add a name if you want. Next, add the animated character we generated earlier. Click on the video, go to Cutout, and choose the Chroma key option. Use the color picker to remove the green background. Adjust the strength and shadow to your preference. In my case, the strength and shadow are both set to 50, but you may need to adjust them differently for the best results. Move your character to the lower portion of the screen and adjust its size if necessary. Make sure it's centered and proportional. Now let's choose a beautiful background from the media library. You can select one that matches your preferences. After that, adjust the background to fit the entire screen. To make it easier for viewers to answer, you can add some clues. For example, I'll add 2 words as clues, but we won't reveal the answer yet. Add a countdown timer after the words, "What breed am I?" You can find a suitable timer sticker in the stickers section. Additionally, let's add some clock ticking sound effects. Go to the audio section, search for clock ticking, and adjust the duration to about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, add the correct answer. You can use a picture and add a label below it. There are 2 options for the picture. You can search for a specific dog breed in the media library based on your script, or you can choose an AI-generated image by entering a specific prompt for the dog breed you want. Adjust the image to the center for a visually appealing look. You can also add effects and animations to all the elements to make it more engaging. Arrange all the elements correctly to avoid any confusion. Once you're satisfied with the result, hit the export button to download your final output.
That's it, hustlers. It's time for you to decide and take action before this niche gets saturated. Before we watch the final video together, could you do me a little favor? Please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me grow this channel. If you have any topics you'd like us to cover, please comment down below. Now let's watch the final video together.
Only dog lovers can answer this. I am a courageous and intelligent working dog, often used by police and military forces. I am fiercely loyal and protective of my loved ones. What breed am I? Time's up. The correct answer is German Shepherd. Did you get it right? Comment if you did.